It's the start of a new year, and the last thing that you want to do is carry all that dirt and grime from 2024 into 2025. That's why today we're showing you guys 5 quick and easy ways on how to refresh your ride and get it right for the new year. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is deep clean your wheels. If you guys see these wheels, they're super jacked up, they're dirty, and they're caked with brake dust. So today we're going to show you guys a quick and easy way on how to clean them up. The first product that we're going to be using today is going to be our two-phase color changer wheel cleaner. It changes color when it reacts to ferrous metal sitting on top of your wheel finish like brake dust. So there's been plenty of time for a two-phase wheel cleaner to go ahead and break down all that brake dust. All you have to do now is pressure wash it off. So as you can see, we just finished rinsing it off and it looks much better. However, it's still dirty. You still have a lot of dirt and grime within the crevices of the wheel that we want to go ahead and address. So the first product that I'm going to grab now is going to be our Diablo wheel cleaner gel. Now Diablo is great because it's a maintenance wheel cleaner, so we can go ahead and spray it directly onto the surface of the wheel. And the great thing I like about Diablo wheel gel is that it's a gel-based product. So as soon as you start scrubbing it with your favorite chemical guys cleaning brushes, it's going to start foaming up, lathering up, and helping you get more into those deep nooks and crannies to get that extra deep clean. And as you guys can see, Diablo wheel cleaner foams up great, allowing you to get a deep clean in between those spokes. So now that I'm done with the face of the wheel, now I'm going to grab a smaller brush like my All in the Details brush set. I'm going to grab some Diablo wheel cleaner, spray some into the bristles. That way I can get into the emblem, the lug nuts, and the valve stem. Alright, so now that I'm done cleaning the nooks and crannies, now I'm going to grab my Diablo wheel gel and spray some into the barrel because, remember, the barrel needs some love too. So we're just going to make sure that we get enough cleaner in there. That way we can go ahead and scrub it with our Red Rocket brush right here, which, as you guys can see, is perfect for getting deep into those barrels and giving you that nice deep clean. So we're just going to go ahead and start from the top, work our way down and around. And last but not least, the last thing that we have left to clean is the tire. So we're going to be using our Total Extract Tire and Rubber Cleaner, which is a specialized cleaner specifically for your tires to remove tire browning, blooming, and previous tire shine dressings. All you have to do to use it is simply spray some directly onto your tire and then scrub it with your favorite stiff bristle brush. And now that we're done scrubbing, all we have left to do is rinse it off. The next thing that you want to do to refresh your ride is give it a good old-fashioned wash, and today we'll be doing that with our watermelon snow foam. Then we'll move on to the trim and headlights. Alright, so we just finished washing the car and this thing looks great, but you know what doesn't look great is these crusty old headlights that we're going to go ahead and fix today with our Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer, which is an easy to use all-in-one headlight restoration product. Now before we start using that, first we got to sand these headlights down just because they're super neglected. So I'm going to go ahead and mask it off, sand them down, then polish them to perfection. So right now we're going to be using our clay luber along with our clay block with 2000 grit sanding sheet paper to just simply spray onto the surface, and then we're going to glide the clay block left and right to remove that dead layer of plastic. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we just finished sanding off all the yellowing on the headlight, and now it's time for the polishing process. So right here I'm going to grab my polisher. Now the polisher that we're using today is our TORQ Rotary polisher, and I'm pairing it with a green heavy polishing pad and as well as our Headlight Restorer. Now to use this, it's extremely easy to use. All you want to do is apply a couple drops. I recommend applying 4 pea-sized drops and working with that and adding more if need be. After you finish adding your drops, simply go ahead and dab it onto the headlight to spread it out. And then what you're going to do now is spread it out on speed setting 1. After you spread it out, go ahead and turn it up to speed setting 3 to 4 and work it in until it's fully clear before you wipe it off. So we just finished working in Headlight Restorer with our TORQ Rotary polisher, and now we're simply going to wipe off the residue of the Headlight Restorer to reveal that beautiful brand new headlight look all over again. Check out the after results. Now you can actually see clearly through these when you're driving at night. Moving on from crusty headlights to ashy trim, I'm going to show you guys the quickest and easiest way to restore your trim to looking brand new all over again. But first, you already know, blue tape special. Now, what you're gonna need to restore your trim to brand new is our tire and trim gel. Now, tire and trim gel is a thick oil-based dressing that's designed to penetrate deep into the pores of the plastic to rejuvenate it to brand new. It's super easy to apply. All you need to do is apply a couple drops onto a soft applicator or a foam applicator, and then simply start working it in. Now, once you're done working it in, what I recommend doing is grabbing a soft microfiber towel and simply going over the area that you applied it to. And this is just to ensure that you don't have any excess sitting on the surface. That way it doesn't attract any dust, because this is a dry to the touch formula. It's not designed to attract any dust. What can attract dust is any kind of residual sitting on there. So this is why we always recommend just following it up with the dry microfiber towel. And now that we're done, all we have to do now is show you guys the reveal. So we're gonna take off our blue tape and check it out. The trim is back to brand new. This is what the trim should look like. This is what the trim actually looks like right now. Super dull, neglected, conditioned, and protected. And the last thing to do to refresh your ride and to end off any kind of detail, whether it be a simple wash or a full-fledged detail, is with a premium tire shine dressing, which, if I didn't mention before, tire and trim gel works on tires as well, and it works great as a tire shine product because it provides a super high gloss wet look finish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a couple of lines of the product onto my applicator, and then I'm simply going to start working it into the tire, and check it out. It gives it that brand new super high gloss tire look all over again. All right guys, and there you have it. Those were 5 quick and easy ways on how to completely refresh your ride for the new year. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, if you guys want to pick up any of the products that we use on today's video, they're all going to be linked in the description down below. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.